All right, one of the major advantage of getting an SMDC condominium is SMDC Good Stays, because this can help you as a property investor to have someone or a team who will consistently look for tenants for your property. Last week, mga nakausap ko, ang concern talaga nila, meron silang property, kaso walang umuupa. They do not have time and the know-how on how to get tenants. Number two, kung nasa abroad sila, hindi nila alam paano yung maintenance. Halimbawa, pina-Airbnb nila. They find it difficult to find someone who will take care of that tenant for a couple of days. Tapos papalitan yung bedsheets, papalitan yung beddings, pillowcase, maglilinis. So, ang hassle. And those concerns are legit. And that's why at SMDC meron siyang ganito. Na siya na yung sasagot dun sa mga concerns na yun. So, you will just be collecting income from your unit. SMDC Good Stays is the official residential leasing and tenancy management arm of SMDC. Our services allow you to professionally maintain your unit and monetize your investment in a hassle-free way. Services that Good Stay offers are leasing, long-term or short-term, daily lease, co-living. Number 2 is tenancy, hassle-free home maintenance and management, and furnishing, package furnishing program. So basically bibili mo lang yung unit mo, then subscribe to the services of a Good Stay, manage mo yung business mo remotely. Okay, ang hirap talaga kumuha ng tamang pagkakatiwalaan. Number 2, ang hirap kumuha ng marunong mag-market ng property mo. Number 3, mahirap kumuha ng taong mag-maintain. Kaya this is a hassle-free solution for our property investors. Okay, long-term lease. Tenant search. So, meron tayong talagang nakatutok na para maghanap ng uupa para dyan sa unit mo. May mga kaibigan ako na may unit na pinapaupahan nila and they find it really challenging na magkaroon ng tenants. So, post sila sa marketplace. Limited lang doon. And then later on, we will see saan nagpo-post o paano ginagawa ng most of our projects are like lobby or reception. So, di ba sa hotel, may bellboy, merong guard, merong receptionist. Kung di aware yung tenant o sa inyong room, baka hindi sila matuloy. Kaya maraming mga ganong mga problemang dumarating. And also liaison between tenants and unit owner. Still actively na serve ng SMDC Good Stays. Types of long-term lease package. Your rental income varies depending on the condition of your unit. Bare unit, semi-furnished, fully furnished. Siyempre, pag fully furnished, mas mataas ang rental income. Okay, in this table, you can see how much your unit can be rented out to, depending on the place, depending on the type of unit that you have, like studio unit, 1-bedroom unit, 2-bedroom unit. So, it depends. So, you can pause this video to study it. Okay, here are the website and where your units will be placed. Instagram, Facebook, RentPad, One Property, SMDC website, and SMDC Good Stays website. So, madaming avenue. More chances of getting it rent out immediately. Good Stay also offer short-term lease. Tenant search, guest check-in and check-out services, guest booking, housekeeping. So, para sa mga Airbnb, ginagawa rin ng Good Stay yan. SMDC Good Stays. Okay, ito yung short-term enrollment package. Okay, these are the unit requirements. Kung papaupahan nyo siya, kailangan yung living room nyo kompleto. May sofa, may smart TV, may internet, dining room, may dining, and so on. You can pause the video guys to read each one. Kitchen, syempre kailangan may mga utensils na rin. May oven. Bedroom, may bed with beddings. Bathroom with water heater. So, para mapaupahan siya ng price na gusto ninyo. Okay? Okay, ito naman short-term lease rates. Kaya nag-range siya sa yung one bedroom nag-range sa 3,500 per night. And then yung 2 bedroom nasa 6,000 per night or per day. Okay? So, yung 2 bedroom 6 packs. Marketing channels and Airbnb, Booking.com, Agoda, and there's a market within Mall of Asia. Mga projects natin dyan like Shore, Sail, Sand, Ice. Kasi ang daming estudyante dyan sa NU. There are 11,000 students na pwedeng mag-rent dyan sa unit ninyo. Also with BPOs, there are 10 BPOs in the area with 25,000 employees. So, what are you waiting for? PM is the key. Just message me.